This is a 2018 Subaru Outback 2.5i Limited. It is all-wheel drive, partial zero emissions. It has 4 cylinders with 2.5 liters. AutoCheck gives this score a 92 out of 92 and shows no history of being involved in any accidents or having any damage reported. You have the power liftgate and a nice rubber mat to protect your back area. And then under here, you've got your spare tire, all the tools necessary. Also, nice and convenient, pull on that lever and you can fold down your seats. There are your rims and your tread on the tires. Let me fix these now. Here is your back row. The seats are in excellent condition. It's a nice leather gray. You also have heated seats and 2 USB ports. And again, the rubber floor mats. Now let's go up front. You have dual power seats. Here's your passenger seat and your driver's seat. You get to enjoy a sunroof. We have kind of gray clouds today. If I'd got here sooner, you probably would have had sunny skies. We'll get that. We're working on fixing this so the audio will work, but in the meantime, we wanted to get this online. It's a super nice vehicle. There's your auxiliary port, 12-volt port, as well as USB ports. Your mode selection, hill control. There are no caution or warning lights on. You have the cruise control where you can determine how close you get to a vehicle before it will back off. And then over here, you've got your blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, collision alert. You have seat memory, power locks, and power windows. And up here, you have your sunroof controls. If you are looking for an all-wheel drive vehicle, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take the Subaru Outback for a test drive. We are located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll drive away with a smile. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock.